And here we are again under the hood of the '07 Silverado. What else is new? I feel like I spend my whole life under here. Instead of driving it, I work on it. Ugh. General Motors sucks. I just want to give a big F you to General Motors for creating this. Look at this. I got to replace an oil pressure sensor. Can you see where it is? Right in that little hole down there. You can kind of see it. Where are we? Right down in that little gap. That's the top of it. You get this big piece of metal in front of it. Oh yeah, that's some engineering right there, boys. Nice friggin' work. Nice. You guys are friggin' on top of your game. Nice job. Every mechanic in America thanks you, you jackasses. So there's the new Mexican AC Delco part that I'm gonna put in. Oh, I tell you, it's always something. What a nightmare. So they go fishing around for that back there. Oh my God. What a nightmare. This thing's a lifesaver. I would have been in bed all day tomorrow. But this is a socket I used to get that off. Look how mint this thing is. Didn't have to buy no special socket. It fits. Absolutely perfect. It's part of my grandpa's stash of tools. Look at that. Doesn't get any better than that, man. It was made for it. So this, I just wrote LS V8 oil pressure. It's actually 1 1/16 inches. It is a Bonnie T750. You can find one of these around. Whoever engineered this is just an asshole. There's just no other way to put it. You're a friggin' asshole, whoever you are. You hate your fellow man. That was unbelievably ridiculous. So and then there's a screen below that stupid ass thing that plugs up and also causes low oil pressure. The LS engine, the wonder of the 21st century, low oil pressure problems from all kinds of friggin' different things. Everybody loves it. I friggin' hate it. I hate this engine from a mechanical standpoint, like as far as having to work on it. I friggin' hate this engine. Is the most poorly designed piece of friggin' garbage that ever graced the automotive landscape. As far as making power goes, yeah, they're great. Yeah, you could put 1,000 horsepower through them. Yeah, great, wonderful. I could do the same thing with a 350 with enough money, you know, and I can work on a 350 and not have to deal with bulls like this. Oh my Lord, man, I'll tell you. There's a million things with the LS. I could go on a rant forever. The dowel-less timing covers and the rear main seal cover that you need special tools to line up. And, you know, I know there's tricks around that. You don't need the special tool, but why even do it that way? Just put a friggin' dowel in the goddamn hole for F's sake. Jesus, man, I'll tell you. So this was how I ended up getting it out. Needle nose vice grips with a Harbor Freight pick from somewhere in there. Tried this. This was a big fail. Did not work. The mirror was semi-useful. Not really. I haven't started the truck or done anything, so we're gonna come in here and see if this fixed the problem. I'm fairly certain it did, but you never know these days. Screw your software. Everybody's always in my wallet, whether it's the government or some other entity. Drives me crazy. What am I doing? Where's my key? Oh, for frig's sakes. There we go. Oop, I'll turn the key on first, dummy. Bing, 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 bing. Oop. Into the fire. No. Don't want auto scan. Boop. Viewfinder. It's very hard. So this is the code I had. Of course, it should still be in there, I would imagine. I'm gonna turn this off. Would kill my battery. And that is what's making that racket. Failing fan. More wonderful engineering. I mean, the thing is 16 years old, but it was a piece of garbage the day it rolled off the friggin' showroom floor. I had problems with this thing from day one. But that's neither here nor there. There's the code. It is a 0523. Last test passed. This ignition not run yet. Okay, so what I want to do, we're going to go back out of here. We're going to go, I want to watch it live. We're going to do it live. That's a great clip. I forget his name. Oh, God, my brain is just cooked. What is his name? That's going to drive me freaking crazy now. He was on Fox News for a long time. Bill O'Reilly. There was a clip of him in his younger days, like having a nervous breakdown because the teleprompter failed. That's pretty funny. I love that. We'll do it live. Anyways, where are we at? I'm looking for oil pressure. I probably went right by it because I was talking. Oh, here we are. Sensor PSI 1.74. Interesting. Let's show this. Show selected. Let's graph it because graphing is cool. That's not what I wanted. Yeah, slower way down so my brain can process what's happening. Key is on. We're gonna fire her up. Zoom. Hey, 40. That's a good place to be. I haven't seen that in a while. It said 123 PSI, or 129.95 last time I looked at it. Let me just make sure things aren't squirting. And I also dropped my pick back there, so I don't know where that is. Oh, that was nice. I left my hose in there. That could have got wrapped around the belts. That would have been nice. That too. Pay more attention to what I'm doing here. There's oil underneath here, but it's from our Grand Marquis because she likes to puke out of the rear main seal. That's not for me. I don't see a steady stream, so I'm gonna call that good. I do smell something burning, but I did blow off a bunch of mouse crap off the top of the engine. So here we are. It's dropping a little. Let's give her some throttle. 53. Ooba! 58. The gauge is working. So, that's a good thing. Oh, guess I gotta clear the code. We'll go back again. Trouble codes. Let's see what it should say past this cycle now. And we're charging, which is a good thing. 14.5, that's what I like to see. Mill requested, passed and failed history. Last test passed. This ignition passed. Okay, that's what you want to see. Pass, pass, pass. Means it's good. It means you fixed it. Well, let's get out of here and go somewhere. We don't know where. Let's erase it. Yes. All right. Light is off. Monitors are all cleared, which if you're trying to get an inspection sticker sucks if you live in one of these communist states that requires such things for emissions purposes. But I digress. Let's see what kind of special functions we have. Okay, let's see what my fuel composition is at. Guarantee it's going to be in the 20s, but I've found it runs better there because it's dumping more fuel. Yeah, see, 24%. I used to reset this all the time and I didn't notice any increase in mileage, so I've stopped that practice and just leave it be. I don't know if that's got anything to do with the tune that I have. I have a Hypertech canned tune that just plugs into the data link connector. I also have this that I run all the time. Range device that keeps the AFM from running. That's the one you want for an 07 Silverado with the 5.3. Yeah, so that's that. That's a fix. Now I can use my remote start again, which will be nice. Shut this thing down. That's annoying. See if my remote start works, because when you got a check engine light, the stupid remote start doesn't work, which is kind of a pain in the buttocks. You know what I mean? Especially when it's hot and you got black leather, black on black. things get pretty hot. Let's see what happens. Oh, I guess got to hit it within a certain amount of time. Hit the button again. Oh, it's because the hood's open. Stupid safety devices. That's a fix. We're done here.